Are you still using this cord to power up your radar detector? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. Today we're going to be getting rid of this cord in your OBS Ford if you have a auto dimming mirror. If you don't have an auto dimming mirror, unfortunately you're still going to have to use this or find a different way to do it. But today I'm going to show you guys how to power up your radar detector or your dash camera in your truck using a mirror tap. If you've never heard of one, I'll show you guys what it is. But this is my unit in R3. This is a really nice radar detector. I've owned this for like 3 years and it works really well. If you're in the market for one, I definitely recommend looking at this one. I'll leave a link down below for this one and all the stuff that you see today's video. But yeah, right now I'm gonna show you guys what this mirror tap looks like and what it does and how it works and how you can apply it to your truck. And you're powering it up still using this factory cord that goes from the product all the way down to the outlet. It's really ugly because, you know, this thing just hangs down, it's in the way, it's ugly. Today we're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna be using this. It's called the mirror tap. So this just basically plugs into the back of your radar detector or your dash camera, and then we get power from, you guessed right, from the mirror. So if you have a powered mirror, whether it's Bronco F-150, this is gonna work. If you don't have a power dimming mirror, I'm sorry, it's not gonna work for you. So, but you still gonna have to use the old cord. But if you do, you're in luck. You've never heard of this? It's called the mirror tap. It plugs into your dash camera or your radar detector, and then on the other side, 4 wires, and these are your taps. So the reason they're gonna have 2 different sizes. These are thinner taps, and these are a little bit wider tap. You can see the wider taps are for like a wider connector, which is we're not gonna be using these, so we're gonna be taping these away to the harness, and these are the ones we're gonna be using. Right here, we get a power, and we have a ground. Really simple. So if you have a power mirror, all we're gonna do is come out to the back of the power mirror. We are simply just gonna unplug it, and if you look in the back of the connector, we're gonna be tapping into the very back of it, not the front, the back. There's gonna be 3 wires in the back, a white, black, and black. We're gonna be tapping into the red wire is gonna be going into the white tap in the back, and then we're gonna tap into the middle black wire. That's gonna be our ground. The far outside black wire is not a ground, it's nothing, so you're not gonna work. It's not gonna work if you tap into that. So also I have this nice looking mirror mount here, mounted on the back of the mirror. Works really well. If you have a unit in like I do, it just simply just slides in, and it's nice and tucked away close to the mirror, out of your way. All right guys, so once you get the connector for your auto dimming mirror unplugged, we're gonna grab our T-tap, and we're gonna grab our red tap, and we're gonna tap into the back of the white wire by simply just sliding it into the back, making sure it gets nice in contact, like so. Just tap into the back, really easy. And our black one, we're just gonna tap into the middle one in the middle of the connector, like so, and that's it. We're gonna grab some zip ties. We're gonna zip tie these to the old harness so it's out of the way and it's nice and clean. We're gonna just tape this up also so it's kind of looks like it's with it as well, so it looks like it's all together. But before we do that, we want to plug this back into the mirror, and we want to plug this into our radar detector or our dash camera to make sure everything is working fine. And grab our connector. I got the mirror plugged in. We're gonna plug this into the dash camera like so. And that should be it. I'm gonna turn the key forward, and there you go. And when you turn the key off, the radar turns off. So turn the key on. Perfect. Alright, so you turn the key on and your dash camera or your radar detector works. I definitely suggest just using a zip tie to hold the connectors inside the back like this, so that way they stay secure and don't fall out the back. And then the rest we're just gonna tape up to the existing harness out of the way, so that way it gives it a nice clean install. Alright, so I'm going to link out this connector here. If you use this style of, like the phone style connector for your radar detector or a dash camera, I'm going to link this out for you guys down below if you guys want to get yourself a pair. And I'll link out the mirror mount as well if you want to mount your radar detector to your mirror like that, like mine. Make it nice and clean. I'll link that out down below. If you guys have any questions, please put in the comments down below. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.